Hi, and welcome to this channel where I teach science and scientific communication. Today I want to talk about AI and scholarship application. I'm Dr. Andrew Terhemen Tyowua. I help candidates struggling to secure scholarship locally or internationally succeed without difficulties. If you want to reach out to me, you can do so using the email address displayed here on the screen. To help with your scholarship application, I have created a course, How to Make a Strong and a Competitive Postgraduate Scholarship Application and Consequently Increase Your Chances of Success. The link to the course is in the video description below. If you are struggling to cover the cost of the course, you can pair up with somebody and share the cost. On top of this, I'm going to be reading the application document of candidates who have taken the course to ensure that they are strong and competitive and consequently increase their chances of success. So AI, artificial intelligence, there are lots of AI software these days, lots of AI sites, lots of AI coming up. There are people online on YouTube telling you that you can use AI to do this, you can use AI to do that, you can use this to humanize your write-up from AI. All of these are false. AI can be a powerful tool when it comes to scholarship application when used correctly. And the course I have just advertised covers how to use AI as well. I have gone into details how you can use AI to enhance the quality of your application. And that's why I encourage you to take the course. However, wrong use of AI can mar your application or ethical use and consequently stop you from securing a scholarship and even a graduate place or a postgraduate place at the university. There is a story of somebody who used AI and perhaps even plagiarized their write-ups. So this was flagged by the review committee and then flagged by the university admission officers, and consequently this person wasn't offered admission, they were not offered the scholarship, and they were banned from applying to that university entirely. You don't want this happening to you. So that is why I have created this video today to tell you how you should better use AI. And in the course I have described or I have advertised, if you take the course, you will learn more about how to use AI to your own advantage in terms of scholarship application. So what can you do? You should never, ever allow AI to craft all your essays. There are people who prompt AI to write their CVs or resumes, personal statement, statement of purpose, and everything they are asking them to write in the scholarship application package. They use AI for them. Don't do that because the review committee are going to pick this up, and on top of this, there are software created to identify AI generated content. And AI generated contents are so generic that they don't really showcase your person when it comes to their application. And you want to be yourself, you want to showcase your personal attributes that will enable you to succeed if offered a scholarship, perhaps a graduate or postgraduate position at a university. AI isn't going to do that. It's just going to give you generic write-up, which won't reflect who you are. So you should always avoid using AI to generate your write-ups in your application package. Right. What should you do then? That's the don'ts. Let's come to the do's. You can brainstorm using AI. You can overcome writer's block using AI. The AI can initiate the writing process, but be sure that it's 100% your own voice, 100% your own attributes that are being reflected in the write-up. Secondly, you can use AI to improve your documents. That's grammar checks, spelling checks. All of this will enhance the quality of your application. I've gone into details in the course. There are other ways you can use AI that will improve the quality of your application. In the course, I have gone from stage one, how to use AI, to the final stage of using AI in your scholarship application. Thirdly, and perhaps finally, you should always get humans to review and give you feedback on your scholarship application. And that's where I come in on this course. If you take the course, I'm going to review your scholarship application package to ensure that the application is of high quality, is strong and competitive. Because if your application is not strong and competitive, these scholarships are highly competitive, like any other thing, job applications as well. You won't be able to stand out and secure one for yourself. Just think of it. One scholarship application, sometimes thousands of people all over the world apply for them. So you need to be standing out. You need to really showcase how strong you are and competitive you are, the good things you've done as far as academics is concerned to succeed and secure the scholarship. On this note, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, so that when I release a new content, you'll be notified. Leave your comment in the comment section about your experience of using AI in your scholarship application. And lastly, I encourage you to share this video with people you feel might benefit from this kind of information. Bye and thank you.